Alright guys, what's going on? We're going to be doing a box of 15-16 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey Hobby Box. It's going to be Connor McDavid's rookie year. So we're going to be hoping for a nice little Connor McDavid or a nice little Eichel for Jerry. I'm sure he'd appreciate that.
I'm cheering for Matt though.
Yeah,
really.
we want to get Matt at McDavid for sure.
He deserves it.
So we got everybody's teams right here for this current box. We got Justin and Koye on the belt. We got dual champs this time for the first time ever. Big news. Get this camera still. There we go.
But congrats to the Royal Rumble winner, Matt.
Yeah, I mean,
He pulled that one out.
Matt put it all out there in the Royal Rumble.
Brewer did the hard work.
Brewer did a lot of heavy lifting. He was raging throughout the whole thing. I think he finished like 3 people.
And Matt was sitting ringside waiting the whole time. He went under the bottom rope.
Yeah, Brewer dropped the rock bottom on Adrian. What did he do? He RKO'd Hunt, man. He was all over the place.
Somebody's going to get an autograph card.
Sorry, guys. Not really. Camera's kind of moving. I hope it doesn't slip. There we go.
And
Alright, Justin, there's your Crosby box. I'll bring that in to work for you. What do you think?
thinking this side here and like the 5th one down.
Like the 5th or the 5th for sure?
It is going to be the 5th.
It is going to be. Yeah. Please, the 5th. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Bam.
That's my pick. Okay. GL, everybody.
Alright, guys, good luck. We're going to hope for at least one Connor McDavid in here somewhere.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, base cards. You know these cards. It's a different year than the one we opened last time, but they're still pretty sharp, nice and metallic. So we're going to start off with a Henrik Lundqvist. Ooh, that's a good start for Hawkins.
Yeah,
so we got a nice little O-Pee-Chee Platinum rookie card here of Artemi Panarin for the Blackhawks.
Nice.
So I don't think that's numbered, but it's still a nice card for sure. Yeah, not numbered, but still nice.
Rookie Panarin's good for sure.
Got a Plekanec Habs card. And we got a marquee rookie of Noah Hannafin for the Carolina Hurricanes. So that one will be Chris's. Nice.
Do you want me to put the marquee rookies on the sleeve? Or?
Yeah, throw them in sleeves for now, for sure. And then we'll sort out what
Noah
we take
Hannafin's
after.
pretty good.
Alright. Got a O-Pee-Chee Platinum base card of Rick Nash here for the Rangers. We got a Sergei Bobrovsky base card for the Blue Jackets. The insert's always in the middle. That's me, bud.
Nice, that's you. Hello.
We got a Max Domi, red parallel marquee rookie.
Oh, man.
Number 31 of 149. I'll take that
Nice,
for sure. It's my first official card in any of the boxes I've been in.
Oh, man, that's nice. Red Prism. Max Domi.
I got 3 base cards in the football break, so that makes up for that a little bit.
For sure.
Alright, we got an Adam Henrique base card. It's like some sort of insert here. This one here is a rainbow. Philip Forsberg for Nashville, so that one's going to be Sean's. Nice hit, buddy.
It's a Rainbow All-Star?
Oh, it's numbered to 199 too, buddy, so nice hit. We got a marquee rookie of Zach Vucali for the Montreal Canadiens. So that one's going to be Luke's, I believe. Yep. And a Mike Hoffman base card.
Zach Vucali?
I think he played, wasn't he the Team Canada goalie one year?
Yeah. But how do you break through as a goalie in the Montreal system? Kind of tough.
Bo Horvat, Maddie's favorite guy.
Ooh, there's an autograph.
That's a rookie autograph right there. So Hawkins again showing up on the board here. Ryan Hartman, rookie autograph for the Blackhawks.
Put that in the sleeve.
So that one isn't numbered, Hawk, but it's on card and it's pretty sharp, buddy. That's a nice hit.
It's not numbered?
No, that one's
just
not.
a regular rookie auto? Oh.
Andrew Hammond base card and a Jonas Donskoy marquee rookies for the San Jose Sharks.
Hart.
Adam and Judy have been kind of quiet since that Bobby Orr, so
Yeah.
we got
Yeah, they need more autographs in their collection for sure.
James Van Riemsdyk base, Max Pacioretty base. It looks like we've got some sort of retro Zach Parise for the Minnesota Wild. So Minnesota's going to be Patty D. That one's going to be Patty's. Not numbered there. And a Burrows base card, guys.
What's that one?
Some sort of one of those retro inserts or whatever.
I'll slide in the sleeve. Still looks pretty. I guess the sleeves are pretty cheap, these ones.
Yeah, the sleeves are alright. We got a Drew Doughty base card. We got a retro Jacob Voracek for the Philadelphia Flyers, so that one will be Bert's. We've got a marquee rookie, Gustav Olofsson for the Minnesota Wild. So that one's going to be Patty's as well. And then we've got a Kuznetsov base card.
Gustav Olofsson?
I haven't heard that name
There's
before.
like an Olofsson coming up with the Sabres. You guys will know his name this year. He's unreal. He's going to crack our lineup.
All right, Roberto Luongo, All-Star card there.
Get his number retired.
And the next two cards are stuck together. All right, we got a Shane Prince rookie retro card for the Ottawa Senators. So that one's going to be Patty D's as well.
Oh, Patty.
Chandler Stevenson, marquee rookie for Washington. I'm going to put those over there, but these two cards are sticking together a little bit. There we go.
Shane Prince.
Jeff Carter, Kings base card. Should definitely be some numbered parallels coming up here.
Yeah, for sure.
Anders Lee base card. First two cards like to stick. A legend card of Mike Gardner.
Mike Gardner.
For Washington, so that one's going to be Sean's. Mike Gardner's underrated, man. He was fucking fast as shit. And we got a Sean Monahan retro insert. And an Aaron Black Ekblad All-Star card there as well.
Is that Monahan's rookie year?
I don't think so. Because the Panarin one had like that RC in the corner, right? So I don't think. Stevie Mason base card for the Flyers. Corey Perry base for the Ducks. Okay.
Robbie Fabry rookie?
Robbie Fabry. Rookie card parallel. Well, it's not a parallel, but it's a retro. And St. Louis is going to be Adrian. It's a nice hit, buddy. And we got a marquee rookie. Matthias Janmark for the Dallas Stars. So Dallas is going to be Joe Abreu this time.
Joe. He'll be happy with that one.
Autograph on the left side. All the parallels must be on the right here.
I don't hear any Buffalo Sabres.
Oh, I see a die cut in here. That looks pretty cool. See?
Oh, yeah. It's got to be Jack Eichel.
All right, we got a Kyle Okposo base card. Okay, that looks pretty nice. A Carey Price O-Pee-Chee Platinum Trophy Talent Montreal Canadiens card. So that one's going to be for Luke.
Luke. Nice.
So that one's not numbered, but it's definitely a nice looking card.
Yeah, it is. It's nice.
Oops.
Ooh. That was a front row shot.
Sorry, guys. And we also got a Bobby Ryan and a marquee rookie of Dylan Larkin for the Detroit Red Wings.
That's a good one, actually.
And that one's Coyer, so he'll definitely take that.
Larkin's solid. Alright. Come on, Jack.
Seeing a rainbow in here. We got
Oh, yeah.
Mike Green base card. We got a Taylor Hall Oilers base card. We're going old school here.
Here's Maddie.
Okay. So we got a rainbow NHL All-Star card of Johnny Gaudreau for the Calgary Flames. That one's going to be Bert's.
Oh, yes.
Little rainbow version. And we got a Kopitar base card.
Rainbow. Santeria.
All right, Michael Camilleri doubles card. We got a marquee rookie of the Ottawa Senators, Shane Prince.
Shane Prince is just dominating right now.
Another marquee rookie of Brendan Gaunce for the Vancouver Canucks.
Oh, it's a rainbow.
That one a rainbow?
Yep, Shane Prince. Yeah.
Shane Prince rainbow, guys. And Ottawa's Patty D, so that one will be Patty D's, just so everybody knows. And we got a Jamie Benn base card as well.
What's that rookie?
All right.
Brendan Gaunce.
We've got like what, 6 or 7 packs here to get a McDavid rookie.
Yep. Rifle. Where's all the Sabres?
All right, we got a Ryan Kessler base card.
Ooh, the Nuge.
Ryan Nugent-Hopkins base card. We got a rainbow here. Okay, Chris Kreider for the New York Rangers. That's going to be a rainbow. That one's also going to be Sean's. Nice hit, buddy. Got a nice little shine to that one. And we got a Daniel Sprong marquee rookies for the Pittsburgh Penguins. As always, that one's Justin's.
Yeah. Add to his collection. Jerry's 0-4 right now.
Is there the Sabres like card at all?
No, not even the base card.
Rainbows are coming here. All right, we got Joe Pavelski. Louis Eriksson for the Boston Bruins rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow.
That one's going to be Jude. We got a Mark Stone base card. And a marquee rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes of Brock McGinn. You must have left the Eichel in your pack.
Maybe.
So we got a Shane Doan. Evgeny Malkin base card. Okay, so we got a Calgary Flame here, and Bert's got Calgary, so it's a rainbow retro of Emile Poirier. Not numbered Bert, but definitely some sort of a rainbow. And a Matthew Pumple marquee rookies Ottawa Senators card.
Who?
Matt Pumple?
Wow.
All right. We got a shiny one here. So we got a nice shiny one here,
yeah.
Joe Thornton for the San Jose Sharks. So San Jose's Tyler.
What is that actually?
And that one's called a Trax Tyler. But it's not numbered anywhere that I can see. But it's definitely a super nice looking card of Joey.
I've never seen these before. No. Yeah. Oh man, that's sharp.
Louis Eriksson base. And one of those Emile Poirier marquee rookies as well.
I have to check and see how rare those are.
Yeah, that looks like super sharp,
Yeah.
eh?
It's been a long time. Not one Sabre. Come on.
Oliver Ekman Larson. Looks like we got another one of the same ones there. Derek Stepan. And it looks like the same one of the tracks of nice, like shiny as well. Brian Little for the Winnipeg Jets. So Winnipeg's going to be Tyler as well. And we got a Ryan Miller base Canucks card.
Yeah, for sure. Miller.
We didn't get those in like the brand new box that we
No,
got,
no.
18-19. So maybe that's just like an old insert in the old sets. Oh, another die cut. Dustin Byfuglien base card.
Oh, there it is.
Tyler Ennis.
Tyler Ennis. Oh, bud. The one I've been waiting my life for.
All right, we got an O-Pee-Chee Platinum Team Logos die cut of Tyler Ennis for the Buffalo Sabres. So Jerry's going to score that one.
Damn.
And that one's not numbered, Jer, but nice looking card, bud. A Jared McCann marquee rookie for the Vancouver Canucks. And a Mark Scheifele base card.
That's how bad we were before Eichel. The face of the franchise was Tyler Ennis.
Yeah, Tyler Ennis has had a huge
He had
year
a good
for us.
year. Yeah, for sure he did.
And we got a Jerome McGinley. Avalanche pack. Gabriel Landeskog.
What's this one? Another logo?
Team logo. Huntman hit a Kopitar here, it looks like. So we got an O-Pee-Chee Platinum team logos of Anze Kopitar for the Los Angeles Kings. Die cut as well. And I think that's the same as Jerry's, not numbered, but nice card, buddy.
Oh my god, look at who it is.
And our favorite guy from 15-16, Shane Prince.
Shane Prince.
Jerry, this has got to be an Eichel or a McDavid. We need one here.
It is. Unreal.
All right, Ryan Getzlaff. Jason Pominville.
For sure.
And a rainbow of a Montreal Canadiens player. That's bad pick, buddy.
That is a bad pick.
Thomas Plekanec, rainbow for Montreal. So that one's going to be Luke. And our last rookie is going to be Jacob De La Rose for the Montreal Canadiens. So we didn't hit a McDavid this time or an Eichel, but
We got a Ryan Hartman autograph.
we got the Ryan Hartman autograph. We got the Domi red parallel. We got a couple of the Trax cards.
Yeah.
And a whole bunch of rookies that weren't McDavid or Eichel. So we'll have to figure out who's got the belt for this one.
Sorry, I'm going to stop you because this Plekanec is actually numbered too.
Oh, it's a
It's a
numbered
white
rainbow?
ice numbered card.
Okay, we'll bring this back in. So it looked like just a regular rainbow, but it's actually a white ice insert card.
Yeah, I've never seen the white ice.
And it's number 57 of 199. So nice hit there, Luke.
So happy for you.
All right, guys, thanks a lot. And we'll fire up another box soon here. And congrats to the people that got their hits today.